Yes, guys, how's it going? Um, I'll be with you in 2 minutes. Just getting some water and then we're good. Yes, then, guys, welcome. Hope everyone's having a great day. Let's get this music playing back really quickly. There we go. Yeah, hope everyone's good. Alan, how's it going? Let me share my screen. One sec, guys. Let me share my screen really quickly. Yo. Yeah, guys, welcome. Hope everyone's ready for a good day in the markets. Push this down a little bit. Get me on the same level. Yeah, right now I'm at my desk. Let's push this up a little bit. That's better. I'm at my new setup, but like I said, I need to set everything up. Gold's pushing as well. So let me just bring up this. Yeah, gold's pushing. I'm just getting the chart up here on my other screen really quickly, and then I can put it on there. Yeah, gold's pushing. Yeah, it's good. Alright, guys. Yeah, let me just get the YouTube chat up. Aaron, how's it going? Sadia, welcome. Nancy, welcome. Alan, I'm good, thanks. Hope you're well. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm looking for some longs, guys. I don't know about everyone else, but I'm very interested to see if we can continue this push higher. I've got the YouTube chat here. How many have we got in? 16 watching. Nice one, guys. Guys, if you've not already, let's drop a like. Let's smash 15 likes again. I appreciate everyone who likes, subscribes, and tunes in, drops a question every single day. I will try and do a little bit of a longer stream today because I didn't stream yesterday due to the bank holiday. What's everyone thinking to the new mic quality? This is a brand new mic. It should be better than the last mic that I had. Welcome. Nancy, welcome. Alan, I'm good, thanks. Hope you're well. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm looking for some longs, guys. I don't know about everyone else, but I'm very interested to see if we can... Yeah, the mic's sounding decent. The mic's sounding decent. We've got 17 in. Alright, yeah, we'll break gold down. Guys, simple as this on gold. Everything is starting to close bullish again. So I am only looking for longs as we're above our level. Me and the community had longs back above here, and yeah, you could have taken some 30 longs below, but not for me. I personally not taking anything. I'm just gonna wait for some confirmation to take this long soon. If not on this, it'll be the next 4 hour I can long. I'll just be looking for some longs. If not, and we close back below, I'll be looking for them pullback sells. Yes, Bernick, how's it going? No, I'm back in the UK at my normal setup. Sounds good, Aaron. Nice one. How are you, Bernick, bro? Hope you're well, mate. Yeah, I have an Express that I've been trading that I actually found. I didn't know, I just activated it today. I didn't know I had it. And I've got a combine, a couple of Expresses and a combine there. Sounds good, yeah, good stuff, brilliant, nice one. Yeah, I just need to bet my webcam's on its way. I've just ordered a webcam. And then the setup will be complete. Yeah. 19 watching, nice one, guys. Cheers for everyone who's tuning in. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. I'm gonna try and do a 2 hour stream today if gold presents itself. So tune in, ask some questions, and be sure to smash it, guys. We'll be sure to catch something today, hopefully. I'm just getting everything set up, guys, and then we're ready to go. Bear with me. Here we go. Just getting the chat up there. Right, we've got the chat there. Stream health's excellent, which is good to see. Gold's pushing, which is good to see. We've got 18 in, which is good to see. Everybody's here. Good stuff, guys. Yeah, I'm going to be looking for longs on gold, guys. If we don't catch anything, it'll be this hourly entry I'll take. We've taken liquidity. Once this hourly closes above, which it looks like we're going to now, I'm going to be looking for them longs on this hourly. Yeah, for me, Bernick, I'm going to be looking to take gold into these highs to the left. Or into some structure to the left. I mentioned this for community members. I mentioned that this level is very, very high probability to get taken. This level here at 29.21. We're very likely to push into here. So I'm going to be looking for some longs into this area, okay? And gold's flying right now. Gold is flying right now. If not, I'll just take the hourly or the 4 hourly entry. It's all good. But yeah, it's pushing. Yeah, I'm going to be looking to take the next hourly. The next hourly closure, guys. If not, I'll just take a 5-minute or a 15-minute entry. All good. Let me just check the community really quickly. Oh, nice, Darren. Where did you get your entry from, bro? Good stuff. Did you get your entry here, down on the range closure? The range that I've had, the range that I've wanted to close above is the 29.13 here, and we're starting to close above 29.14 now, which is perfect. But yeah, I like the way we've taken liquidity, look. Liquidity, now we're starting to close above. We've been ranging all day, guys. If you've not been taking any trades within here, and you've only just started looking for trades now, perfect. I was looking for entries here, but only because we closed bullish back above the range, there was valid entries. Other than that, gold's not been super clean today. Darren's in, nice. On what time frame are you looking for a confluence? So the plan is, guys, I'm looking for this hourly closure now in 12 minutes. If this hourly closes bullish, I'm going to be looking for that push into this level, 30 tick long there. So I'll be looking to take 30 ticks quickly into this level. If not, I'll be looking for some 15 minute confirmation. 3 candle pattern confirmation, okay? Got in 14.46 on the 30 minute. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, nice, Darren. Good stuff, man. Closed above the range. Took prior liquidity. Look, liquidity grab. Closure above. Prior 30 flip there. You're up about 40 ticks for Darren. Nice one, man. That's what we like to see, bro. How are you finding the concepts, Darren? Good work, Darren, man. Executing the plan, which is good to see. On your range earlier, you did a stop. Yeah, nice. For me, I didn't take the buy on the 15. I didn't take this 15 buy because it didn't close bullish enough. But I was actually looking for longs here. I was looking for longs here, but it was just too messy. So I said in the community, I'm not looking for longs now. I'm more happy to look for longs now on this hourly close. The next hourly close, I'm more happy to look for longs because we've got some liquidity and some levels to target. So we're waiting for a liquidity grab. No, Nancy, we've seen it. This will be an hourly entry. Look, Nancy. This was our range. Let me show you. This was our range. Can you see? Buys above 29.14. Sells below 29.11. Look what we've done here. We've taken this liquidity. Look, this red candle has taken these liquidity candles to the left. And now this hourly is set to close above. So if this hourly can close above in 10 minutes, I'll be looking for the flip higher into liquidity, into the liquidity level, which is at about, look, big level here. I'll probably look to take it into about 29.20 here. Yo, easy pal, being slow today though. Yeah, guys, if you do trade gold only like I do, gold's been slow in London for the past 2 days. Look, range, nothing to be doing there. Even here, look, yesterday, big range, nothing to be doing there. So if you've found it's been a bit of a slow start to the week, it has been. Even me, I take about 10 trades per week on average. It's been a slow week for me. Like I haven't taken any losses, but it's been a slow start. Not in terms of how many trades I've taken. Easy pal, been a slow week today. Yeah, it's been so. Yo, bro, you looking for confirmation now? Yeah. Naz, I'm waiting. This hourly could be an impulse entry long. So I'm waiting for this potential hourly impulse entry long. If not, I'll be waiting for confirmation, bro. That's right, mate. I took some profit for a change. Nice, Duncan. Good to hear, mate. Impulse, I see on the hourly. Yeah, perfect, Naz. Naz, I love that you're spotting these entries just like me. When I'm looking for confirmation, you're looking for confirmation. If you see an entry, I'm seeing it, which is great. I love to see that. Oh, okay, I was looking at the 15. Yeah, Nancy, or any community members, when you know the two entry types that we look for, if you don't see an impulse entry, say on the 15, like we don't see an impulse entry here, and we don't see an impulse entry here on the 30, but we see one on the hourly, we can take an impulse entry on the hourly, okay? You've got the 15, the 30, and the hourly time frame where you can take impulse entries. Okay, so there's 3 time frames. So if you don't see it on the 15, have a look on the hourly and the 30 to see if it sets up there. If it doesn't set up on the 15, 30 or hourly, just look for confirmation on your lower time frames, okay? So you get that move to the upside. But yeah, guys, we're in 8 minutes here. Stay patient. Let's find this entry long. I'm going to look to long into, say, this level here. Let me just update the community really quickly, guys. Discord is a new owner. Just had to update the community quickly. Hey, Saf, how's it going? Cheers. No worries, Natalie, Nancy. Oh, good. Natalie. There's a girl called Natalie too in the community. I got mixed up. Hi mate, good stuff. Yeah man, I've got the hang of the strategy now. It works really well, keeps you out of them bad ranges 100%, mate. That's what it's all about, guys. Retail traders trade ranges, professional traders don't. Look, bang, beautiful range. We know to stay out of this. There was, guys, don't get me wrong, this here, when we broke back above here, this candle here, yeah, you could look for longs. And when we did break back above, look at that push. Bang, 70 tick push. I'm interested to see if we can get a bottom wick on this next hourly, okay? Guys, we've got 25 here. Let's smash that like if you've not already. Let's smash 15 quickly. We're only on 7. We've got 25 here. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. Let's hit 15 likes on this session, on this stream. I will try and stay on as long as possible for today. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, apparently as well on YouTube, if you get 15 likes, gold sets up. Something like it sets up really well. 12, wow, guys, from 7 to 12 in seconds. Appreciate you all. Smashed it. Welcome. How's your day been? But yeah, guys, let's have a look if we can catch this next hourly. I don't like that it's slowing down a little bit. I'd rather it be pushing, but we'll see. Really feeling the strategy. Cheers from Finland, Julius. Appreciate that, bro. And welcome to the stream. Welcome from Finland, man. Julius from Finland's here. Welcome from the UK, should I say? Just started. Yeah. There's not been much today. Look at the 15 and the 30, guys. We don't. This isn't our price action. This isn't our price action, and it's been more a waiting game. What is our price action? This that we're starting to see now. So I do think there's still a little bit more upside after this push breakout. But we'll have to see how we close here in 5 minutes, guys. It's all about this closure, guys. It's all about this hourly closure here. Dun, dun. Yeah, hourly close is bullish. We're good. And the 4 hour will be looking super strong too. Gold will always revisit levels. Like, look at this to the left. Big level. Gold will always revisit levels. So if we know that gold can revisit here, that can be a good management point if we do get long. Have you taken any trades yet, guys, this week? Has anyone taken any trades? I've personally been looking for... I didn't really trade too much yesterday because of the bank holiday, but today it will be the first sort of trading day for me. But it's going to be a big week, guys. It's going to be a big week in the market. It's always a big week, especially trading gold. But yeah, I'm waiting for my webcam to come. When my webcam comes, I can fully finish my setup. Because right now I'm still streaming off my MacBook. But I've got the chat and everything on my monitors. So yeah. Streaming on my MacBook, using my mic from my MacBook. Got my mic set up here, which is good. I hope it's a lot clearer for everybody as well, this mic. But we'll see. This momentum has actually slowed down a little bit recently, so if we can start pushing up a little bit more, that'd be better. But yeah, I'm watching this closure now. That pushed quite a bit. That did push quite a bit. But yeah, we've got 2 minutes now. That hourly candle isn't in the range, so why are we trading up? That's the whole reason we're trading up, Duncan. We're above this level here. 29.14. We're above the range, look. Buys above here. Sells below here. Because we're above the range, we can look for longs. So we're above, so we're looking for longs. That's why we're trading up. If this green candle closed below, we'd be looking for sells because we're below the range. That's the only you should only be looking for longs right now. You shouldn't even be thinking of shorts. Like look at the 4-hourly candle too. Bit of higher time frame analysis. The 4-hour took the prior 4-hour low and is closing bullish. So you're set to fill this range here now. Here we go, a little bit of momentum. Yeah, and this 5's confirming too, which is good. Yeah, I'm happy to take this hourly flip, guys. I'm gonna be getting ready to take this hourly flip. Let me just get it up on my. I'll take it on this account. Hourly candle there. Yeah, I'm gonna take the hourly flip of the next. I will be managing this quite aggressively. Maybe at maybe wick fill, then this level 25 ticks. But if we get that bottom wick first, I'm gonna be looking to take this higher. Okay, so tune in. Let's try and catch this push higher. The thing is, I would have liked to catch it earlier, but the way we broke out didn't allow that, which is annoying. We didn't take any recent liquidity as we broke out, so the only actual place I can get in now is this hourly flip. It's literally been the only entry really for me. Obviously, depending on where you have your levels, depends on if you can catch it earlier. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this hourly candle. Okay, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this hourly candle, and my stop will be on the low when it flips. Okay, so I've got a buy stop on here. I'll tell you when I get executed on futures. So my buy stop's on the high of the futures candle, just maybe one tick above that, and I'll probably be managing this as we flip into these highs here. We'll see if the momentum is there to take us in. Okay, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. When I get tagged in on futures, guys, I'll let you know. I always have it like one tick above. So my actual entry will be just a little bit above here. Maybe like here. Alright, guys, I'm actually in this now. My stop will be on the low of here for like 12 ticks. Okay. Bang. Is this going to flip? 5 minute setup too. And I've got it a little bit below. The 5 minute setup too. So it's like double confluence. So it'd be good if we can actually get this flip higher. If not, I'll just look for re-entry. If it pushes down, takes me out, I'll get a re-entry on the break of the high. And still in this just. Bit of a dodgy place, isn't it? Yeah, I am in this, guys. We have pushed up. We have taken the prior high, which is a bit of an issue. But if it does take my stop, I'll just get another buy entry on the high of this candle here. So my stop loss is only like 10 ticks, which would be the first L. I'll tell you when I get taken out on my futures chart. Right, I'm out here. But it's not. If we start rejecting, I am going to get another buy in here. But we do need to start rejecting here in a second. If we do start rejecting, I'll get another buy in on these highs. So I just took like negative 10 ticks there. Let me put it in. Negative 10. But we've still got room higher. We've still got 20 odd ticks higher, which I can take if we start. Stopped out, was in too early. Yeah, I just took negative 10 there, Duncan. All good. If we do start rejecting, I'll get another buy stop in. I think this is still valid to push higher. The only problem is there's not much. The only liquidity that we've got is up here, which is quite a bit away. But we'll see. If it starts rejecting, I'm going to get another buy in here. The only reason I took that as well, guys, the only reason I took that is because the 5 confirmed too. The 5 confirmed to the upside too, which is very, it doesn't happen often, but when it does, you do tend to have a nice push to the upside, but it's all good. Don't worry. We'll see if we reject, and I'll just enter the break of this high if it gives us a decent stop. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, guys, I'm seeing if we start rejecting a little bit, I'll just put another buy stop in. Because I think we can still push higher, especially with how the H4 is forming and how we've broken out, taking liquidity. Yeah, if this 5 minute didn't take liquidity and close bullish like we did, I wouldn't have taken the hourly so early. But it did, so it gave me more confidence to push higher because it confirmed on the 5 and closed bullish on the hourly. So I thought we was going to get a quick push higher, you know, into this level sort of area, like 20 ticks, but it just didn't happen. That's why we reduced the risk. You know, it was only negative 10 ticks. It's absolutely fine. There'll be many, many, many more trades to come, but we'll see. Did anybody else take that entry? Guys, anybody else take that long? Yeah, it was just the 5 minute. The 5 minute made me really interested. As the 5 minute took the low, closed bullish here, I was very interested to set this long because it confirmed on the 5 and had a closure on the hourly, taking liquidity to the downside. So I thought, 5 minute confirmation, out strong hourly closure after taking liquidity, closing above. You've got 25 ticks there. I did, stopped out, all good. Last 15 didn't have a bottom wick, but it swept it, yeah. It did have a little one. If you look closely, it did have a little one. I was watching that. If it didn't, I probably wouldn't have took the hourly. Pushed 3 ticks and went break even, nice. I didn't go break even. I got negative 10 ticks there, guys. Didn't hit your buy stop, nice. Yeah, you got away with that, mate. Yeah, guys, if we re-break this high now, you're very likely to push that 25 ticks. So it doesn't really bother me. I'll get another entry. It's only, you know, keep them losses small. Negative 10 ticks is absolutely nothing. You know, we take average 30, 40 ticks profit. I'm still watching this stuff for longs. I'm still very interested in longs here. That last 15, yeah. Took me out, no momentum, yeah. There was just no follow through, were there really? But it is what it is. You have to. That's the thing, guys. You have to follow the plan. Like, I don't care. Like, if it's a loss or a win, whatever it is, I really don't care. Yeah. You just need to follow the plan. Waiting for the push. Yeah, me too. Please do get it wrong too, Joe. Yeah, like I said, my strike rate's what, 75%. Every 10 trades I take, I'm gonna take 2.53 losses. That's not bad. You can be profitable with a 50% win rate. Even the best in the world, the best traders in the world get it wrong. We're in the business of losing. This is our job. Is to lose. We're not supposed to be 100%. If somebody comes to you, oh, I've got 100% win rate, impossible. Nah, run so fast. Like, I'm open about my losses, open about my wins. It's all there for you guys. Look, literally 19 wins, well, 6 losses now. It's all there. 75% win rate. I don't shy away from it because I know. Doesn't bother me at all. A loss really doesn't bother me because I know that the next 4 trades could be straight wins. Win, 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 win. You need to understand that, guys. You're not going to win every trade. And I know people will join the stream. The first time and they'll see me take a win, take a break even, whatever. And they'll go, oh, this guy, whatever. Like, stick around for long enough and you'll see what we do here. You'll see that. You'll see what we do, and you'll see that we take W's a lot of the time. That hourly was clean. It hasn't even taken. I'm quite surprised it hasn't even taken the prior hourly high. Oh, good though. I'll look for confirmation if it gives it us. Yeah, I'm surprised it hasn't even taken hourly high. This a new range now? Not for me just yet, mate. Nah, I'll need to see some rejection. Because we can see some confirmation yet. We could see some confirmation and target these highs. Gold's been a little bit tricky recently, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's like a cycle. It's like a cycle. You'll see it trading perfectly for a couple of months, and then there's a month where it'll consolidate a lot. All good. Hey Joe, could you create a trading plan document, include strict? Yep, King Arthur, I am currently doing that, mate. I'll probably be done with that next week. Yeah, I'm doing mechanical for the impulse entry and confirmation entry. That's already in the works, bro. Yeah, it's a good idea. It's a good idea, Arthur. Like, people like to know when they need to take each trade. It's a good idea. I'll definitely be done with that. Probably this time next week, I hope. That's great, Joel. Thanks. No problem, man. How are you doing? How's everyone doing anyway? Let's see. Guys, I'm not done yet. Gold needs obviously a little bit more of a pullback to take more liquidity. If I'm looking back at this trade, guys, I would have liked some more close liquidity. Like, if we had liquidity to take, like this, a lot closer than we did, then yeah, I'd be more happy to take it. So, yeah. But if this 15 rejects here, yeah, we've got a new range. Gets a bit more tricky. Oh, one sec, guys. Yeah, gold. The thing with gold this week, it's been breaking out of ranges and then just going straight back into a range. Like, look, breaking out, straight back into a range. Breaking out, straight back into the range. And it's not really pushing too cleanly. But we can do things to counter that. And that's why it's super important to have a stop and stick to the stop. But yeah, look, break out the range, straight back down into the range. This is what you want. The Asia push here was so much better because we broke out of the range and we carried on pushing. Look, we broke out of the range here and we just carried on pushing to the upside. Like, we've broke out of the range here. Broke out cleanly the next candle and then instantly back down. Which, can't really do much about that. Is that better? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Right, yeah, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. One of my wires came out. All good. Ugh. Goldie, what are you doing to us recently? Four hourly looks like it's set to push as well. But yeah, if you did well to get out of break even. If you did get in there, you've done well to get out of break even. I took a -10 there, guys, but on to the next. All good. There'll be more setups. This is Owly going to flip for us. Big stop loss now, guys. Maybe watch this 5-minute closure here. See how this 5 closes. If this 5 can close bullish, guys, I'll get some 5-minute confirmation entries, and that'll be my last entry for the session. Yeah, guys, eyes on this 5-minute here. If this 5-minute closes bullish, I'll take some confirmation entries. We've got some confirmation above this level here. 3 candle pattern above the level. I'm going to wait for this closure in 30 seconds to see if I'm going to take this or not. But that'll be the hourly and the 30 flipping bullish too, which would be good if it does flip. Let's see. What issue, King of Arthur? What issue, mate? How do you avoid the above issue? Oh, sorry. Where I got stopped out. Where I get stopped out a lot. When, for example, one sec. Let me just look at this. Ah, it's pushed up instantly. See, I wanted this long. It's just instantly pushed up, which is annoying. Where I get stopped out a lot, when example price makes a wick, I enter on the break of the body, then price comes back to my stop loss. Yeah, King Arthur, enter on the wick high. Don't be entering on the flip of the body. Enter on the flip of the high. So if you had a buy stop in now, enter on the top of the wick here. Don't enter on the flip of the body. Because what you'll tend to see is the body will flip. Like so, it'll flip back up and then go back down to stop loss. Yeah, gold's just messing. Got a decent range here now. When you say 5-minute confirmation entry, do you mean you take trade? Yes. Alan, yeah. So we look for confirmation, the 3 candle pattern confirmation on the 15 or 5 or the 30. And we trade it with the... You can trade confirmation on 5, 15, 30, all them time frames. It was this, that guys, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with this hourly entry. If you took the hourly entry, yeah, it's absolutely fine. The only thing that I am a bit looking at it now, something that I am reflecting on is that there was not much clear liquidity other than this all the way up here, which was about, you know, it's like 100 ticks away. So yeah, looking back at it, is it valid? Yes. Could there have been liquidity closer for me to trade into? Of course. So that is something that I'll review. But it was a valid trade. It wasn't a bad entry at all. It's only negative 10 ticks as well, guys. Come on. We have 100, 200 tick weeks on average. Cool, okay, mate. Cheers. Good, mate. All good, man. Da -da -da -da. Yeah, we'll go back into a range again. It's typical for what's been happening recently. From range to range. Yeah, if anybody is in this trade too as well, like I've just seen in the community, you'd be around negative. How many would you be in now? You'd be negative 15. I personally would never hold this long. I'm just going to see if there's any more trades in this session. I hope it just doesn't range again. Can you break down that trade risk management and how you closed at only 10 ticks? Yeah, of course. So the actual entry that we took was based off this overall closure of this range, look, okay? So we were stuck in this range for most of London session, and coming into the US session, we actually swept liquidity here, look. Swept liquidity, and the next candle, well, the next couple of candles, let me replay. This next candle closed above here. And if you look at the minute on this close, if you look at the minute on this closure, the bottom wick from when we opened, to where we got stopped out was here, and it was 10 ticks. Well, 12 ticks. On the futures, it was only negative 11 for me. So yeah. So yeah, we had the bottom wick, and then after the bottom wick, it flipped up, and now it's here. The actual hourly now is, from our entries, this is what literally now is where we got out before. A lot of news in 5 minutes. Yeah, I had a look at the news this morning actually. Yeah, we've got CAD news in 4 minutes, but it shouldn't really do much. Quite surprised we haven't pushed higher after that hourly closure, to be honest with you. So was your buy stop on the hourly body or the top wick? It was on the, wherever the wick was, it was on the high of the hourly candle. So as the hourly candle instantly pushed down, wherever the high was, the highest point of that new hourly candle is where my stop was. Now it's flipping. The stop loss is too big though. The stop loss is way too big. Look at that, you got like 42 ticks, but it's probably going to push higher now. Fill some ranges to the upside. Yeah, if this 15 can get above, I'll be happy to start looking for confirmation longs. Just need to get back above here. We've created a new range now anyway. On gold. What's your max stop loss? I suppose all this will... Max stop loss size. My max stop loss is probably 20 ticks. I won't take a stop more than 20 ticks. 20, 25 ticks, really. Yeah, we don't really take many stop losses that big. Much more, should I say. This 15 is closing back above this level. Should push. The hourly is probably going to push now. This hourly. If you did enter, you're around break even. Probably in profit. This is what we wanted to see on our entry. The flip and push. But yeah, this hourly's got 30 minutes left of it. Yeah, if not, I'll just take a nice little 4-hourly play. But the problem is, like I've already mentioned before, there's not many targets to the upside to look to run into, which is annoying. It's not ideal. But yeah, let's see if we can get a closure back above here. Bam, bam, bam. I need to do a lot of trade on when when a trade becomes invalid, as I often let the trade hit full 20 tick stop loss. 1 sec. What would I say to that? I'd say have your stop loss. Have your stop loss set to where you want it to be. Like, we knew exactly where we wanted to be getting out of that position is when it reflipped bearish. So have your stop loss where you know you need to be getting out of the position. And for me, it becomes invalid when you reflip bearish because price is telling you that it doesn't want to continue higher at that point. And if it reflips bearish, it's very likely to push down more. Yeah, but gold's creating the new range now for sure. This is definitely a new range on gold. Yeah, so if you get an entry, say if you close above this level, like we did on the hourly, and you push down first, your buy stop would be on the high like this, and if you flipped bullish like this and created a bottom wick, like so, yeah. If you flipped like this and flipped bullish, and if you wouldn't want to be in this trade if it reflipped bearish, because gold's not telling you that it wants to continue higher. It's telling you that it wants to flip back bearish and continue lower. Okay? Cheers for the lights, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, not much happening, guys. It's ranging. One of them. Gold's been in and out of ranges for the past 2 weeks. And you just got to let these times slide. Just got to get past them. But if you do take a loss, don't let it bother you, guys. If you take a loss, don't let it bother you. Like, you're going to get 10 ticks back easily. You know, just on one partial of your next trade, you'll get 10 ticks back. Like, don't revenge over 10 ticks. It's literally pointless. Yeah, but this is definitely the new range, guys. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one, 17. Smashing it. Appreciate you all. Yeah, I expect gold to push higher. Just it needs to break back above this resistance. This is definitely a new level to watch out. It's rejected it twice. Look, rejection, rejection, and look to the left too. Support, support. Could easily push to the downside. Get back above here. You're free. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in too, guys. Have you left Vietnam? Yes, I have, mate. I'm not there anymore. Yeah, I'm not in Vietnam anymore, mate. Back in the UK, back at my main, back in my home. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 dun, dun, dun. Yeah, if gold breaks out of here, guys, I'm going to be looking for them longs. We just need to wait for the breakout. We're back here. We're in this range right now, and I'm not looking to trade it within here. It's the waiting game. So look at the stream comments. Ah, why is it not pushing down? Let me refresh this quickly, guys, so I can see the comments. You come back, you must have kissed the cold weather. Yeah, I tell you what, since I've come back, it's been a bit of sun, right? Tim? And it's... I hope I brought some cold weather for you, like, anyway. Yeah, gold's about to break out, which is good, guys. I'm watching this break out. Because the 4 hour is going to close in 20 minutes too, so we could have some 4 hour entries. So stay tuned in, and we will be looking for them extra entries. Okay, there will be some more entries here. Stay locked in. Futures is pushing as well. If you are in the future, in the future still, you're having a nice little push. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm staying locked in here, guys, on this long. Cheers for lights, guys. 26 in. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everyone. Seriously, guys, welcome to the stream. If you tune in every day and you take some value, that's great stuff. You know, I've been trading 7 years now, so if you can take some value away from someone who's been trading 7 years, understand the highs and the lows of what trading entails. Like, it's not going to be a win day every day, just know that. You're not going to win every single day. If you think that, well, trading's not for you. Okay? I hope that is interesting. Not interesting. One second. I'm too busy focused on this closure. I hope you understand that. Dun, dun, dun. People who say that you're going to be winning every trade, 100% strike rate, they probably sell signals. Look at it now. Look at gold pushing. Look at gold pushing on the futures. It's up 15 ticks on the futures from our entry. If you did take it, 10 ticks on there, which it isn't much, but it just wasn't ready when we entered. Like, we entered here and it took us out for 10 ticks. It pushed down 50 ticks. So if it's not ready, it's not ready. It's just one of them. First time here, man. Love your analysis on the channel. Appreciate that, Ali, mate. Nice one, bro. You can learn some stuff. Great. Yeah, gold's breaking out here. Gold is breaking out here now. Yeah, guys, tune in. Stay locked in here. Question, one sec. I'll get onto your question in a second, Ali, bro. We've got 2 minutes till this breakout. Is the 5? What's the 5 doing? 5 not doing much. 30s. Look at the hourly pushing now, the bugger. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching this 4 hour entries, guys. It's probably the highest probability entry, to be fair. We have a look at the question. King Arthur, sit a bit, mate. Are you anything? Are you up to anything? Anything interesting, bro? Question: do you usually watch higher time frames to determine you entering buys, sells, right? Also, I've seen sometimes use the 15 cents to enter. Why is that? I use. Oh, I'm out of that. I use the, yeah, I do. I use the higher time frames. I use the 30, 50 minute to wait for range clauses like this. Look at this. We've got this range here. And what's price doing? It's starting to close above. So now we're starting to close above this range. I can start looking for my longs. Okay. I did look for longs here. I did look for some longs here when we closed above this level on the hourly. And it stopped me out for negative 10 ticks. But it is what it is. I'm now waiting for this closure to see if we can get some more longs, okay? Let me just post my range in the community really quickly. So would I get in on the next? No, Nancy, I wouldn't get in on the next candle because we haven't taken any recent liquidity. So look at what we've closed on the 15. We've just had a 15 closure, but look at this 15. Look at the candle laws. 1, 2, 3 candle laws haven't taken any recent liquidity. Can you see this green candle here? How it took liquidity and closed bullish. And look now, we haven't. So that means we can't take longs yet. So the next entry that I'm going to be looking for is either confirmation or the 4-hourly entry. Okay? Your stop loss was bigger, so you're still running nice. Good stuff, man. Guys, if you're still running this hourly entry, it was very valid. And now it's just a shame it's pushing now. You can see the reason I took entry. If you can see the reason I took entry, very well done. That was the entry. It's just a shame that it started pushing like 30 ticks now instead of when I got the entry, but it is what it is. So yeah, this 15, I'm just waiting on this 15. This 4-hourly to close. We're closing above multiple levels, so I'm going to be... We've got 13 minutes, guys. 13 minutes just to wait. Nancy, for example, I'll give you an example, Nancy, look. If this green candle here, can you see this green candle? If you got in on the 15, nice. Nancy, if this green candle come and took the prior candle to its left's low, this 15 would be valid to take longs. But because we haven't taken any recent liquidity here, look, we haven't taken the low here or we haven't taken the low here. I can't go long just yet. I need to wait. Nancy, I wouldn't... If you took this long here, I wouldn't. This could pull back before continuing. There's no entry here for me yet. Nancy, you need to understand about recent liquidity grabs. Look, we broke out here. Look, we've had this breakout here. This green candle broke above. But look, the green candle, as we broke above, we haven't taken any liquidity in 3 candles, look. And even here, it's not been a nice liquidity grab. Because we haven't taken recent liquidity, we can't go long. But look at the hourly entry that I took. Can you see this hourly as we broke above? We took liquidity and then we closed above. I really like the concept of liquidity to determine possible moves. That's really smart. Always use liquidity for my TP or stop loss. Lol, haha. Yeah, I look to trade into liquidity. I think I've got, then I've not. Nancy, you have. Your understanding's really good. Don't get me wrong. Your understanding's almost perfect. You just need to pick up a little few things and you're absolutely fine. Like, look at the recent liquidity grabs. I go over that in the trade breakdowns. Go over that in the trade breakdowns. I will send you a couple to watch. You have got the main things though, Nancy. You have got waiting for your closure, how you enter. You've got most of it. There's a couple of tweaks and then you'll be fine. Okay? Yes, guys, if you've not already, drop a subscribe too. And make sure you join the free Telegram if you're not in already. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we're waiting for this 4 hourly, guys. I will get it. Just need to remember when it breaks. I need to wait for liquidity. Yeah, 100% Nancy. So you're doing everything perfectly. You're waiting for your break. Look, you're waiting for this green candle and it closed above. This would have been a valid entry to break above if you took recent liquidity. Let's say this green candle here came down and took liquidity of these lows. That's a recent liquidity grab. Therefore, you could have entered the long. But we didn't do that, so we can't look to enter longs here. Oh, that hourly. Goldie, what are you doing? Oh yeah, guys, if you're not already, I will link the free Telegram. One sec, let me link the free. If you're not already in the free Tele, guys, here is the link for the free Telegram. Feel free to join the free Telegram, guys, with that link. I usually tend to wait for the zones to be retest and then wait for another bullish candle. Here, for example, I would have entered on the 130 candle. What do you think about this? I don't enter on retests that often, because retests are very, like, if it retests the level and rejects, then yeah, but I don't enter just off break and retest, even though it can work. I don't just enter break and retest, but you can definitely use break and retest strategies for sure. Yeah, I'm watching this 4 hourly, guys. If the 4 hourly closes bullish like this, I'm going to be taking some 4 hour trades. 5 minutes here, guys. I'll be looking for the 4 hour wick fill for my TP. Just a quick 4 hour wick fill. 20 ticks, be done. Get out in positive for the day. Get out in positive for the day. Yeah, it's been a bit of a tricky day, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's been a bit of a tricky day. Don't be too concerned if you haven't traded much today. It's been ranging. Guys, it's literally been in a range for since 5 o'clock all the way to 12:30. It's been range. There was a possible entry here. The hourly entry here was decent. Potentially now, but other than that, there's not been much. Gold's been ranging in and out of ranges for the past week, to be honest. Bam, ba, ba, dum, bum. See how this this 4 hourly closes, guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments too, okay? Let me know if you've got any questions, guys. How's everyone else found the price action recently? Drop a comment. How have you found the price action on your pairs or on gold? If you're a gold trader, guys, and you only trade gold, let me know how you found the last couple of weeks PA. I'm very interested to see how others have found the price action. Because what you need to realize as well, guys, and the main thing that you need to look at trading, if you find a strategy that you know works, if you have a week where it's a bit slow, don't strategy hop. Stick to it, because you're not going to see the benefits of it in the next month or so when it goes back to trading how it was, okay? It's super important. Don't be switching strategies. Like I've traded this strategy and these liquidity concepts for so long. I know that long term it works out, like with any strategy as well. Mainly trading London session, trying New York for a change. Yeah, guys, London's been a write-off most days, look. Yesterday, write-off. Today, basically nothing. Even here, look. Even Friday, look, guys. Friday it ranged. And then US stepped in, pushed to the downside. Look, even here, guys, look. London sessions range for the past 4 days. Look, London. Last 4 sessions have been London range. So if you've sat on your hands for London, don't be too bothered. I'm going to look to catch this next 4 hour candle, guys. If this 4 hour candle doesn't set up, that'll be me done for the session. Pointless sitting here. And yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I go live every single day. So tune in as of when you can. Oh, Goldie. Where's your volume at, mate? Guys, I'm not going to force anything. I'm not going to force anything here. If it doesn't set up, it doesn't set up. It's as simple as that. Gold's instantly pushed up here. Trump speaks today, yeah. Yeah, he does. I saw that on X about an hour ago. Look at the 4 hour instantly pushing up. I wanted longs, but just not doing anything for us, is it? Yeah, guys, let me know if you've got any questions too. There's US session not doing anything for us yet. I wanted this 4 hour push. I wanted this 4 hour push to the upside because look how we closed to the upside here. We had this liquidity grab on the 4 hourly of the low. The prior low got liquidated and we closed above our level. I wanted this long, but it's instantly pushed up 15 ticks. Just one of them days. And the thing is as well, we did take longs from here. And that was a 30 tick push from our entry. But it wicked down first, unfortunately. Yeah, it's not ideal. It's really not ideal. It instantly pushing up like that. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Instant push up there. Have you not found it difficult to start trading full time? No, I've been trading full time for about 4 years now. Yeah, I was travel trading as well for like a year and a half. So yeah, I was traveling and trading for like a year before I even started the community and actually any social media. Like I didn't really go on social media for a big portion of me being profitable only recently. In compared to how long I've been trading now, like 7 years, I've only been trading on on YouTube for like 6 months. I've had the community like 9 months. Yeah. And the way I started on social media was just posting my trades on Twitter. Yeah. That's the only thing I ever did was post my trades on Twitter. Like what I'm looking at, the forecasts, losses, wins, and people started messaging me there. Traders who wanted to learn. And that's how the community and that's how the free Telegram started. I started the free Telegram so I had a place to connect with people who wanted to see my stuff. And then it just went on from there. Started doing one-to-ones because people wanted to learn the strategy. And that's the thing, like I never had the community for like, call it 3 years when I was profitable. But if I can teach people how to get profitable and get payouts and pass challenges and learn a strategy that you don't have to be a slave to the chart, that's perfect for me. It's perfect for you. Like that's what I do. I teach people a strategy where you can make trading work for you. You can trade a little bit more free. You don't have to be looking at the chart every 2 minutes. You can trade this strategy at work, at home, 2-3 hours a day. If you want to trade all day for 6-7 hours, perfect. If you want to trade at work, if you don't want to trade at work, sorry, and you just want to trade for that 2 or 3 hours at home, yeah, pick your session. You can. In the day, guys, the strategy will show sometimes 15 to 20 opportunities, but you're not going to catch all 15 to 20 opportunities in the day. You know, you only need 1 or 2. You need 1 or 2 trades per day. Even though it shows 15 to 20 trades in the 24-hour day candle, you only need to catch 1 to 2 trades. So if you want to trade for 2 hours, you're going to catch 1 position. And if you catch it after work, perfect. If you want to trade in the morning, at work, and at night, perfect. You can do. You will catch more positions. I personally trade 3 hours in London, 3 hours in US, and I'm done. But I stay active in the community, answering questions. And that's just my times. Like, I'll catch my 1 to 2 positions a day. Like, I'm not done now. After this live, in about 10 minutes, I'll trade for another 2 to 3 hours with the community. I'll probably catch another trade. That'll be my 2 positions for the day. Hopefully we finish on a W. If not, all good. We come back tomorrow. Did you have another job? Did you find it stressful to rely on trading? No, I had a job. I was an engineer. I had a job for 4 years whilst I was learning. And then I just went all in. Quit my job. I had a backstop. I had some payouts. Like, I got 4 or 5k payouts a few times. That's quite regular now. Per month, anyway. Or very regular, should I say. Most payouts for me are like upwards of 2+k. For the month, I mean. For the month. Hello, Joe. I have my longs from 28.79. Should I still hold 28.79? 28.79. It's a beautiful long, man. Wow. You caught a long there, man. Yeah, it's a decent little long there, bro. I'd probably say just hold little runners into your liquidity targets. Like, if you see like gold's gonna reverse, starts breaking structure, then yeah, you can get out. But it's bullish now. You can hold little runners into some highs like here or here. There's potential. There's more potential to the upside. Another stupid question, how do you mark your zones? Like, I usually tend to make a line on the higher time frame and then go down to low, determine my range and breaks out after the retest. For me, I use mainly the 15 and the 30 for my levels. Guys, don't get me wrong, this price action that we're seeing on gold, it's like this. It's ranging, it's breaking out, but it's not really pushing as it breaks out. It's ranging again and then pushing and then ranging and pushing. It's not like we saw in Asia here, look. Look, Asia, we had a range, we broke out beautifully, we pushed nicely. Since that, we've ranged, broke out, ranged, broke out. It's a lot more difficult to find positions. It's a lot more difficult to hold trades as well. But yeah, I find my range on the 1530, and when it breaks out, I'll look at my entries to see if there's impulse entries available. Have to go, guys. Nancy, see you later. How did your day go, Nancy? Guys, if anybody wants to join the Discord community, learn the full strategy, I've linked the Discord community link 2 times in the comments. Feel free to join and sign up to the Discord community if you want, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream there, guys. I'm gonna just go on live trade with the Discord community now, okay? You bought it on the 16th of February. Oh, all the way down here. Yeah, beautiful. It's a big push, that. Yeah, just keep holding it. Take it into your liquidity and trail your stop if you want. That's what I'd do. But there's not much happening on gold now. Aaron, thanks, Joe. No worries, mate. Guys, like I say, 1 trade today. 1 little loss. It is what it is. Come back tomorrow. Same as always. You'll see. You know, look at the wins. We've had 19 wins. It outweighs every single loss that we've had. Every single loss. And yeah, we might... Guys, trust me. Same again tomorrow. Follow the plan. Let it play out. And YouTube guys, I'll see you tomorrow for another hour and a half, 2-hour stream. And Discord community, I'll see you there to live trade if we do catch anything. Yeah, it'll all be posted there anyway. But yeah, guys. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day and smash it.